Hey everyone, today we're making an Irish coffee using our Winter Warmers Irish Coffee milk-based blend. What you're going to need is some fresh cream that you've chilled down, some brown sugar simple syrup, your favourite whiskey, and a double espresso of the Winter Warmers Irish Coffee blend. So to start, we're just going to pop this double espresso through a paper coffee filter. This is going to help us create that layer between the coffee and the cream. Now if it clogs up, you can gently roll up the paper filter and press it through. We're going to add 40 ml of our brown sugar simple syrup. And 30 ml of whiskey. We're just going to top this up with hot water to about 1 centimetre below the rim of the glass. And then give it a nice stir. We need to shake our cream for about 15 to 20 seconds. It should be lightly aerated, but still very pourable. Take your spoon and hold it just above the surface of the liquid. We're going to pour our cream, and it's going to gently float across the surface of the coffee. And that's how you make an Irish coffee. For full recipes and ingredients, as well as picking up a bag of this coffee, head to honeycomb.com.au. Thank you very much, and cheers.